Wait. Black hole. Hello. Wala. Wala, too much request but not sending gift. God, don't miss. Now he want change. I don't know what they want. Black or green or red. Blue. No one send gift. Kaliwali. Yala, bye-bye na. I change na again. All can just here in my TikTok. Well, I don't have boyfriend here today. I don't know where is my boyfriend. They break. They break me already. Divorce. They divorced me already. Because I'm not with them. I don't have no boyfriend here. Mr. Wala. They regret me na. It's your backside. No. Until you didn't send me a gift, I'm not follow you. All Indian here today. Sexy. Mappy Egyptian here today. Backside. Handsome. Abdallah. My God, one rose. Thank you, Abdallah. Kiss me, kiss me. Say that you love me. What is your name? Mappy name. Only Filipina. Backside. I'm not sure backside until you didn't send me gift. Mappy name, Kabayan. Only Kabayan I put there. Filipina Kabayan. Hatem. No. Aroy, too much pain my feet. What no? I don't like from you. What back? Very tired. Because you make drama. After invite in Snapchat, calling. I don't like people calling in Snapchat. Because I'm not used that one. I just open Snapchat only 1 month. I don't know how to use. And I don't like this Snapchat. Yeah. Some guy sending photo. Like naughty photo. That's why they want calling their Snapchat. Yeah, disturbing me. Sending photo, sending naughty photo. I'm not naughty also, that's why I don't like. Only showing you here like this, okay. But for the photo, naughty, no, not good. Because I'm not cheap. Hi, mystery. I want serious guy, not only naughty. Yes, kabayan. Thank you, I love, wow, Mariam, Sahin. No, if you are interested, call me in my number, not sending and calling Snapchat. Yeah, I want like people like this. Respect. Are you 6 months? Yes, I'm pregnant. How people go gym is pregnant. Mindset ba? Mindset. This normal, you have baby tummy. The people too much sexy, they do liposuction, you know. They remove the baby tummy because they don't want to get pregnant. They don't like baby anymore. I don't have car. I don't have anything. I don't have boyfriend. Swear to God, I don't have boyfriend. How can we talk together? Hi, Doma. Yes. If you see lady too much sexy, they remove parts in the baby tummy, yeah? Baby house. They do liposuction, you know? Because they don't like baby anymore. They care only body. Yes, I'm right or no? Hello, Pretty. Hi, kabayan. Justin Bieber. Mohammed. You're not serious. You're not serious. I'm looking serious, guy. Not naughty guy, okay? But I send this people, I send my Snapchat sending me naughty po. So I don't like. Piskis, what do you see outfit? My outfit. Green one. Did you see? Yala, bye-bye na guys. I don't like to talk. Yes, good morning. Because I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. See, I'm pregnant. I will miss you. I have milk. That's why I'm pregnant. I have milk. Tick. Say, assalam. Number 7. Hi, chest is beautiful. Yes, my chest full of milk. Hi, thank you. Very nice, just our name. Miss Kabayan, yes, Miss Kabayan. Miss Kabayan, I'm Kabayan. See, I'm wearing like this. You see my apple. This is apple. This is mango. A green grass of hope. Hi, I love you. Thank you. Wow, already 8 o'clock. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God, hello. Where are you? Thank you. I'm in Dubai. Hi, James. Wow, nice name. American name. Send me rising star. Wow, Mr. Hassan. Gift official. Ang ganda.